We all want to go back to our socioeconomic life, to our normal life. We don't want any new normal. And the only way we can do it is to make sure that everybody goes for the vaccine so that we can achieve herd immunity of at least 2/3 or 67% of the population. Ghana, we give 13 different vaccines to our children before the age of 5. We are going for only 2 jabs. We should do this for our children, for our grandchildren, for our parents, for our mothers, old mothers and old fathers and grandfathers and grandmothers at home, and for our neighbor, and above all, for the good people of this country.